Hi moms! A pump is really helpful when you're traveling, in public, or if breastfeeding feels uncomfortable, especially if your baby has started teething. Before you begin, wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean and sterilized. Find a comfortable spot, relax, and if you need help with letdown, look at your baby or a photo of him. Now let's begin. Place the flange onto your breast, making sure it seals well around the nipple. This is important for proper suction. Gently pump the handle to create a vacuum. After a few motions, you'll see milk begin to flow into the container. This pump is designed to be gentle, comfortable, and large enough to collect milk for multiple feedings. Once finished, store the milk in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours, though giving it within 3 to 4 hours is ideal. If you're going out, use a small cooler to keep it fresh. Pumping takes practice, so don't worry if it doesn't feel perfect right away. Every mom and every baby is different. If this video helped you, tap like, leave your questions below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.